Joining us now to break down his trades on these names, Lee Munson, president and CIO at Portfolio Wealth Advisors. Lee, listen, Cisco, good for them. Chuck Robbins, he's a guest on CNBC tomorrow morning. Stock's at the highest in 25 years. What do you make of it?
Well, I love that people are getting their money back from the dot-com crash back in 2001. Here's my issue. You've got artificial intelligence at full mega-scalar levels, and this company is still looking at mid-single-digit growth rate. I don't think it's enough. It's still trading at almost a 30 PE. It's got a nice yield, but I think it's a value trap. If you can't show me low double-digit growth in this type of market on AI and all the promise, I don't know what we're going to do if that starts slowing down in the middle or late next year. So I think it's not a stock that you go into. I think Cisco, along with Intel, greatest hits, moving on, not for me.
What's the take on John Deere? I got to imagine that commodity farm prices are a lot more important to John Deere than tariffs, but what do I know?
No, that's exactly what you know. I was long this earlier this year. For full disclosure, I sold some yesterday. I don't want to go into earnings on it. I was long earlier this year because 80% of everything they make, all those parts are inside the U.S. So they're somewhat insulated from the tariff threat as far as their supply chain to make the stuff. But you know what? I care about their customers. And right now, they're the first to admit that forestry and construction are going to get hit. So even though John Deere doesn't directly get hit by this trade war, their customers downstream are going to get hit for the trade war. So I'm going to take my big profits this year, and I'm just going to sit it out. If it pops on earnings, it can do it without me. I'll look at it later.
Amazing. D.R. Horton, that was our mystery chart, 30% gains, even as mortgage rates to stay stubbornly stuck around 7%.
I can't believe I'm long and not wrong. You know, I started owning this last year thinking it was at the peak. I've been just eating humble pie all year. Since their earnings, it was beating the market. Today, it's up huge. It's not that I'm in disbelief, but let me tell you, for all those people listening, here's what the home builders are all about. The home builders always start popping well before everything else. So we don't need Fed cuts in September. I don't think we're going to get it. The market has adjusted. D.R. Horton's got all the cards. They have the land to build. They have first-time home buyers that are in demand. And I think investors are seeing through. We're going to get cuts next May. Why do we care about September? I'm long. I'd love to add to the position.
Appreciate the candor and humility and honesty, Lee Munson. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.